Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text to line shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add text to line shape. Firstly we insert a line shape. Go to the insert menu, then click shapes drop down menu and choose a line shape. Now I choose this and draw this. Now we can see here we insert a line shape. Then click right button on your mouse and select add text. Now you can write anything on this line shape. Select the text and go to the home menu. Then click font color and choose black, and you can see now we added text to line shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.